Welcome to part 2 of creating target lists. So in the previous section we covered how we create our target list and add targets, leads and contacts to it directly from the modules. What we're going to be covering in this version of the target list creation is how we generate reports and add the results of those reports to our target lists. So let's say I want to see all of my contacts that have been created within the last 24 hours, okay? And I want to add those contacts to my target list, okay? So first things first, we need to create our target list, and I did that in the previous video, so we won't redo that. And the next step is to create a report, and we're going to select a rows and columns report, so a table-based report. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to select the module that I'm looking to get my data out of, and the first step is to define our filters. So in this case I want to select anything created in the last 24 hours. So I can scroll down to my field, or I can use the quick filter to say show me everyone that was created in the last 24 hours. So we can just say today or between certain dates or whatever the case happens to be. Okay, we can make that a runtime field as well, which means it will be able to edit that date range as we run the report. Okay, second part is our display columns. Now because this report is only being used to create target lists, it really doesn't matter what we display here. Name, associated company, and perhaps the email address is relevant here. Okay, you could get away with just the name though. Okay. Right, and finally, let's set the name of our report. Okay, so all contacts created, and we'll say today. Right, so here we go, we have 200 contacts there, okay, each with an associated email address. We can play with the date filter because we set it as a runtime variable, okay, and what we can do here, now that we've created the report and we have our results there, what we can actually do is we can go back to our target list. Okay, scroll down to the module that we created for our report. Okay, so contacts. Okay, and we go select data from reports. Okay, and then we select the report. Okay, what that's done is that's gone and added all of those contacts into our target list. Now obviously we already had all of our contacts there, so it hasn't added any more, but that will actually allow us to add specific data from reports for our campaigns. Okay, thanks very much. The next step in the process is to create our campaign. We'll cover that in the next video.